Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adriana. Welcome. Thank you for coming by. As you can see from the title, I am doing a collab with my best friend Jen here on YouTube. Her channel is GlamMoms, and we are going to be doing our makeup inventory, counting every category of makeup that we have, the exact numbers that we have in each category, and then our goal number for the end of the year. We really want to focus this year on finishing up products, whether we love them, declutter products that we may not be loving or that are going bad, that kind of thing. So we have too much. We need to get our act together. So let's get started. I have everything on my laptop, which is right down here on this table. So if I'm looking down, that's why, because I'm reading the numbers to you. I am on a work trip in San Francisco when I'm filming this. By the time you watch this, I'm back home, but that's why my background's a little bit different and why I may look washed out because I'm in front of a massive, massive window. But let's go ahead and get started. So I broke everything up. I didn't go into super detail. I feel like last year I did this and I went into like eyeliners, like pencil eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, gel eyeliners. For primers, it was like cream and silicone primers, face primer, like spray primer, like all tiny minute categories. I had lipsticks, lip gloss, liquid lipstick, you know, all these different things. I tried to just go overall because I was finding that I was like, oh, I have 4 foundations, but I only have 4 foundations. Oh, and I only have 5 BB creams. Oh, and I only have 3 CC creams. No big deal. But really, that's 11 products for my face, you know? So I just did like foundation. So the first category is face primers. I have a total of 4, and I want to, at the end of 2018, only have 1. It does include a large, like 8 or 12 ounce rose water spray from Mario Badescu, I believe, and that's pretty big, so I'm kind of nervous because I've had that for a while, but I love it. It smells great. It's very refreshing, and I really like it, but I just don't know how long it's going to take to finish that. But I don't think I need a backup in this category, so I'm trying to use up 3. For setting sprays, I have 2, and I would like to just have 1. Like, there's no need to have all these setting sprays. Right now, I have a NYX setting spray I'm working on using, and then I have one from Cover FX that we got on a BoxyCharm. That one's really big, so I'm just kind of like, how am I realistically going to finish this? But who knows? But yeah, so from 2 to 1. I do have 2 SPFs, and I just need 1. So, and those are specific SPFs for my face. I have 4 concealers. I really just need 1, especially because I know what I like. Actually, I should probably put 2 because I use a concealer as well as a color corrector. So I have a Bobbi Brown color corrector that I really like that I'm hoping to finish this year, and I would just repurchase that. Or there's one from, is it Smashbox or Cover FX? I want to say Smashbox. There's like an orange color corrector that I want to try out. And then the concealer, I really like the Sharp Tarte Shape Tape, and I have 2 of them, as well as IT Cosmetics. So I want to use up some of my concealers and just have 1 concealer and 1 color corrector. Pressed face powders, I have 4. Like, that's too much for me. And I really would just like 1, but I really can't imagine going through 3. So I'm going to put a goal of having 2 by the end of the year. I don't know if I'll actually finish 2. Loose setting powders, I have 2, and I want to get down to 1. And one of those is humongous. It's also from BoxyCharm. It is really nice, and it's white, and I feel like it might leave a cast, so I don't use it all over my face. Well, I don't know. That's probably going to be the one I'm going to be left with. Bronzers, I have 5. I don't need 5 bronzers. I have 1 face. And I don't really use bronzer that much during the summer because I usually tan pretty well. So I have 5. I would like 1, but I'm hoping to end up with 3. I'm hoping to use up 2 bronzers this year. Blush, I have 35 blushes. Guys, FYI, I have a lot of blush. I've decluttered a crap ton of blush, and I don't know how I have 35. These numbers, FYI, also include the specific numbers in palettes. So I know I just recently in BoxyCharm got a blush trio. I counted that as 3 blushes, not as 1. And I didn't separate my palettes, like my blush palettes, my face palettes. I didn't really find a need to, I don't think. So yeah, so I counted that as just blush. And I think I may have also counted the blushes that are in my face palettes. So this is total 35. God, guys, I know I probably just need like one blush, but that's never gonna happen. But I'm gonna get down to 25, even if that means decluttering. I also, as of June, I do 6-month subscription orders, I guess, to BoxyCharm. So it's up in June and I'm not gonna renew my BoxyCharm. It is my favorite. I absolutely love BoxyCharm, but I have so much makeup, guys, I just don't need it. So I'm getting serious. So down to 25 at least, hopefully less. Highlights, I have 12. That's cream, liquid, and pressed highlights. And I'm hoping to use up at least 2, hopefully more. Palettes, I have 34 palettes. Like I said, these are all types of palettes that have eyeshadow in them. And I'm hoping to get down to 20 because even with 20, that's 19 more than I need. Eye singles, I have 18 and I want to cut that in half to 9. Eyeliners, I have 10 eyeliners total and I would like to cut that down to 5. And I actually do like gel liners and I don't have any, but I just refuse to buy them when I have 10. Regular eyeliners. Mascaras, I have 2. I only want 1. I know I'm going to go through more than 2 mascaras, which means I'm going to purchase them. But at the end of the year, I don't want to have like 3 mascaras. I just want to buy mascara when I need it. Brow products, I have 4. This includes pencils, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, also brow gel, anything for my brows. I have 4 and I only want 2. Lip gloss. I was super surprised at this. I have 30 lip glosses and I just want to cut that down in half. I want to end the year with tops 15, if anything, even less. I will also say I did these counts and then I saw that there was a gift set of deluxe like the deluxe mini glosses from Buxom that I love, and there's 15 of them. I ordered it from the Buxom site because Sephora got sold out. So Jen and I both really wanted it and we were like, okay, we can get these, but we have to declutter products. So I did go through and pick out some products, some lipsticks and lip glosses that I was gonna get rid of because these were coming in. If I'm buying anything, I need to make sure I'm getting rid of something. So at least that number will still break even at like 30, but I got rid of 15, between 13 and 15 full-size products. I think I finished 2 full-size products and then there may be 13 glosses and lipsticks, but those are all full-size and I'm only bringing in 15 deluxe size, so they're like half size. So I'm more confident that I can finish those. Lipsticks, I have 16 lipsticks. Oh, I don't need all these lipsticks, so I'm hoping to get down to 10. Lip liners, this is what blew me away. I have 25 lip liners. Like, good God. I do get a lot of them from subscription services, and a lot of them I really like. So I just need to cut that down to 10 because even that is too much. And then lip balms, I have 2 and I just want 1. So that's it. I don't really put lip balm on during the day unless I'm home. I have one next to my bedside and that's really all I need. So that's it. Total, I have 215 makeup products. That's a lot. And my goal is to get down to 120. If I can get it down to 100, I'd be super happy. If I can get it down to 99, I'd be like ecstatic. But I doubt it. But yeah, so that's it. That's my makeup inventory, my goals for how much makeup I want to use up, what I want to get through. Let me know if you guys do videos like this, what you think about them, and what do you really think? Like, if you're going to leave a comment like, no one needs this amount of makeup, I've said it like 8 times. No, I don't. This is not rocket science. I love makeup. I do YouTube. It's what got me into makeup. So I know I don't need technically anything, right? No one needs makeup. It's a frivolous purchase, but it makes me happy and it's fun, but it is a lot and I would love to get rid of some stuff that, and right now I have pared down my makeup to products that I use and really like and make me happy. So I just need to keep going through it, especially now that some products are getting old, which makes me sad. But that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye guys.